If you're looking at reusable sandwich containers, it's probably because you're trying to stop using disposable bags and want something that actually holds up for daily use. These are made from flexible silicone, so they're sturdy but not rigid. The lid seals tightly, and the container itself has enough structure that it doesn't collapse once food is inside. The size works well for sandwiches, snacks, or lunch portions, and once it's closed, everything stays contained, which makes it easy to toss into a lunchbox without worry about leaks or squishing. I like that these are reusable and easy to clean. They're meant to be washed and reused over and over, which is helpful if you pack lunches regularly or want a more sustainable option. Overall, these are a solid option if you want simple, reusable sandwich containers for everyday use. They're especially good if you pack lunches often and want something practical that replaces single use bags.